Hey everyone, it's Mary. I'm one of the video creators here on this channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get started with XM copy trading. Not only will I show you the exact steps on how to set everything up, but I'll also share some important tips and strategies to help you choose the right master trader, someone who can actually bring you consistent profits over time. And don't worry if you're watching this on your phone, tablet, or computer. The process is the same on all devices. The layout might look a little different, but everything works the same way, so you can easily follow along with me on your screen. All right, first things first, you need to have a verified XM account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and sign up. Just make sure you're on the official XM website, because there are a lot of fake ones out there. You'll find the official XM links down below in the video description. Creating an XM account is pretty straightforward, but if you still need help, I've also added another link below that will walk you through the entire sign-up process step by step. Once your account is created and verified, go to the More icon if you're using a desktop. If you're on mobile, just tap the menu and look for the option that says Copy Trading. From here, before you start browsing around or looking for potential strategies or master traders to copy, the first thing we need to do is set up our investor account. On the top left corner, you'll see a small button that says Create Investor. Go ahead and click that. Now this window will pop up. Under the section that mentions Partner Code, click Enter here and type in the code NEWREG, which stands for New Registration. A bit later, I'll explain the benefits of using this code and why it's important that you don't skip this part. Once that's done, just check the box below and proceed to create your investor account. And that's it. We've successfully created our investor or copy trading account. You should now see an ID displayed at the top. You can also click on it to view more details about your newly created investor account. Now it's time for us to find potential master traders to copy. Each master trader has a minimum investment requirement, so it's important to take note of that. This helps you know exactly how much to deposit if you decide to copy a specific trader. But before you start browsing and choosing a master trader, make sure to read and understand this guide right here. I've linked it in the video description below. This guide explains what to look for depending on your risk tolerance, so make sure to read the whole thing before you pick someone to copy. Let's say I've already gone through that guide and I now have a good understanding of what to look for. The next step is to find a master trader to copy. At the top of the screen, you'll see filters that you can use to narrow down your search. Personally, I like to look for master traders with a low drawdown and a low risk score, because that usually means the trader is consistent and uses proper risk management. I don't mind small monthly growth as long as it's steady and sustainable. For example, take a look at this one. The minimum investment is just $100. The risk score is only 2, which is really good. And the drawdown is just 9%. The return in 1 month is around 38.97%, so this one looks promising. Now keep in mind that when you copy a master trader, you'll be sharing a portion of your profits with them as a performance fee. The percentage varies depending on the trader. In this example, this trader takes 20% of the profits you earn while copying them, which is fair since you don't have to trade yourself. You're simply investing and letting your money work for you passively. However, always remember that trading is risky and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. You can view more details by opening the master trader's profile, where you'll see their bio, trading style, and performance history. Now, just for this tutorial, let's say I've decided to copy this strategy. The first thing I'll do is add this trader to my watch list so I can easily find them later. To do that, simply click the star icon right here. This will add the trader to your watch list. So now, I already have a potential strategy to copy, and I know how much I need to deposit. In this case, $100. The next step is to make a deposit into my investor account. To do that, click your account ID, then select Deposit. Make sure your investor account is selected, and you'll see several payment methods depending on your country. Let's say I'll choose Gcash for this example. I'll enter the amount, $100, then click Confirm Deposit. From here, just follow the step-by-step deposit process depending on your chosen payment method. Once the payment is complete, the funds should instantly appear in your investor account. After that, go back to your watch list and click the copy button next to the master trader you want to follow. You can leave the default options as they are, or if you want, you can also set a take profit and stop loss amount. For example, if the master trader starts losing trades, you can set a stop loss limit, basically the amount you're willing to lose to avoid wiping out your whole investment. And for take profit, you can set an amount where the system automatically locks in your profits once you hit your target. Once everything looks good, click Copy, and you'll be successfully subscribed to that master trader. Now, go to your portfolio. This is where you'll see all the strategies or master traders you're currently copying. From here, you can manage your investments by clicking on them. This is where you can pause, exit, add more funds, or take profits from your copy trades. It's really that simple. In my next video, I'll show you how to withdraw your profits from XM copy trading straight to your local bank or preferred payment method. If you're watching this at a later time, that video might already be available. So be sure to check the video description for the link. By the way, keep in mind that the payment method you used for your deposit will also be the same method used for withdrawals. This is part of XM's Anti-Money Laundering Act compliance policy. Before I forget about the benefits of using the partner code I mentioned earlier, please check the video description for all the details. It would take me a few more minutes to explain everything here, so I've added the full breakdown below. And that's all I have for you in this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your copy trading journey.